morning, my dear student. Today, we are going to start, or we can say that we are going to continue our class 12th history. Chapter bricks, beads and bones. हमने कई बार आपसे कहा, I have already informed you about that when we write big beads and bone, you can understand that we are going to study about the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization. Okay. Today we will study, we will read, we will try to understand the topic Indus economy या हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन पूरा ही लिख देते हैं. जब हम इकोनॉमी की बात करें, when we try to start or read the economy, we have to categorize in three parts. First, agriculture. Second, pastoralism, and third, trade and commerce. तीन पार्ट में हम डिवाइड करके आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. तो पहले हम एग्रीकल्चर को समझते हैं. एग्रीकल्चर को समझने के लिए, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस टॉपिक, दिस पैराग्राफ. आई थिंक दिस इज गिवन इन योर बुक. टॉपिक 2, द सबस्टेंसेस स्ट्रेटजीज. इन द टॉपिक 2, सबस्टेंसेस स्ट्रेटजीज, point 2.1, that is agriculture technology. If you will read this topic, agricultural technology, then you can easily understand about that, the which type of the occupation, which type of work, which type of livelihood of the Indus Valley civilizations people. किस तरह का उनका जीवन था, किस तरह के लोग वो थे. इन चीजों के बारे में समझने के लिए आपको इन टॉपिक को समझना पड़ेगा. और ये आसान भी है. इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. चलिए अब इसमें देखिए, एग्रीकल्चर. हमने एग्रीकल्चर पे बात की थी और हमने आपसे कहा था कि वी हैव सम एविडेंसेस, वी हैव ऑफ दैट वी कैन से दैट कि एविडेंसेस के आधार पे ही हम किसी भी सिविलाइजेशंस के इनर पार्ट को समझ सकते हैं. We can easily understand about the inner sense practices. That is very important. हमें उसको समझना पड़ेगा और तब हम उन्हीं चीजों के आधार पे इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. जैसे कि कल्चर में मैंने आपसे कहा था कुछ एविडेंस है. एविडेंस क्या क्या मैंने कहा था? कालीबंगा, प्लग फील्ड मिले, Thereafter, so my dear, मैंने आपसे कहा था, what I told you in your previous class, that Kalibanga, that was the place where the plug field was excavated. There was a crisscross it means such type of दो फाड़ में फरों को रिलेज करके जोता गया है, इसके एविडेंस हमको मिले. देन आफ्टर हमें और भी एविडेंस मिले. क्या? सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट द प्लग टेराकोटा टेराकोटा प्लग कहां से मिला? बनावली, चोलिस्तान. देन आफ्टर आपको और भी मिला. क्या? आपको सोर्तुगुई से कैनाल्स के एविडेंस मिले. इट वॉज एक्सेप्शनल एविडेंस. नो वन कैनाल एविडेंस वॉज फाउंड फ्रॉम द अदर इंडस साइड एक्सेप्ट सोर्तुगुई. देन आफ्टर डैम मिले मोहनजोदड़ो से. फिर उसके बाद डैम के बाद अगर आप देखें तो डैम के एविडेंस मोहनजोदड़ो से मिलेंगे, चनहुदड़ो से मिलेंगे, कालीबंगा. यहाँ ऐसी जगह हैं जहां से पानी को रोक करके डैम बनाते थे. फिर वाटर रिजर्वायर, धौलावीरा जिसके एविडेंस है. देन आफ्टर इनके अलावा भी और सी चीजें मिली. जैसे अगर आप क्रिटिकलाइज करें, एविडेंस की बातें करें तो तमाम सारी चीजें मिली. जैसे अभी वाटर रिजर्वायर हो गए, डैम हो गए, सोर्तुगुई से कैनाल्स हो गई, टेराकोटा प्लग मिला बनावली और चोलिस्तान से, कालीबंगा प्लग फील्ड मिली, टेराकोटा का ही बुल मिला. टेराकोटा का पुल मिला. फिर एक्सेस में बहुत सारे सीड्स लाइक wheat, lentil, pea, gram, mustard, date, cotton, etc. तमाम सारी चीजें और भी चीजें, वाटरमेलन, सब्जियों में कई सारी चीजों के एविडेंस मिले. गेहूं और जौ, बरली यहाँ के मेन एग्रीकल्चर के जो सीड्स से जिनका ये लोग उत्पादन करते थे. तो इनके आधार पे एक नॉर्मल आप एग्रीकल्चर को समझ सकते हैं. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द एग्रीकल्चर when you will read your book where clearly given the agricultural technologies. While the prevalence of agriculture is indicated by find of grain, it is more difficult to reconstruct the actual agriculture practices where seeds broadcasts are plug lands. Representation on seal and the terracotta sculpture indicate that the bull was known, and archaeologists extrapolate from this the oxen were used for plugging. Moreover, terracotta models of the plug have been found at sites in the Cholistan and Banawali, Haryana. Archaeologists have also found evidence of plug field Kalibanga, Rajasthan, associated with the early Harappan labels. Each other suggesting that two different crops were grown together. Archaeologists have also tried to identify the tools used for harvesting. Did the Harappans use stone blades set wooden handled, or did they use metal tools? Some other agricultural equipment was found. It was excavated from the different sites. Archaeologists believe that they uses the different things for the different purpose in the agriculture practices. कहता है कि उनके पास कुछ उनके पास कुछ ऐसे एविडेंस थे जो हसुआ या जो फसल को काटने के लिए जो हंसिए का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसका दांतेदार हंसिए का इस्तेमाल करते थे। ये दांता किससे बनता था? ये हंसिए का दांत, ये जो दांत थे, हंसिए की जो दांत थी, that was made from stone, or it may be possible that they uses the metal. But here, the one more question that has come in mind, that iron that was not used by Indus people, or they were not aware of the iron tools and iron metal, so that's why they uses the bronze or copper metals. But they uses that अपने हंसुओं में दांते का इस्तेमाल करते रहे होंगे, ऐसी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट की, ऐसी इतिहासकारों की मान्यता है। माय डियर, विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, archaeologists have also tried to identify the tools used for harvesting. The wooden handles, what did they use metal tools? This is the sign of interrogation कि क्या होता होगा। ये चीजें आज भी हमारे समझ से परे है। Most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid area. That is the very important thing कि जो भी archaeological sites हैं वो कहाँ पे हैं? Semi-arid. Semi-arid कहने का सेंस ये सिर्फ इतना है, ये अर्धनम जलवायु है। My dear, as you know that all the Indus sites situated near a river bank or seashore, their climate is very suitable for agriculture or transportation. I mean to say that trade. तो दो चीजें बड़ी अच्छी थी कि इनके लिए alluvial soil that was available, it was widespread in that areas. They easily plug their fields. The land, it was wet. I mean to say that semi-arid. So the wooden plug or the soft metal plug was used by Indus Valley civilization people. They can easily scratch the earth's surface and grow the seeds and the different seeds, the evidence that was found. That was excavated. तो ये चीजें हमें मिली। My dear, also I inform you about that the Sotgui, that was the place, exceptional place where the canals evidence was found. Canals की evidence हमें मिले. Except it, the important things which you never forget कि the reservoir found in Dholavira, Gujarat, and many have been used to store water for agriculture. धोलावीरा से हमें रिजर्वायर भी मिले जहां से ये लोग पानी को इकट्ठा करके संरक्षित किया करते रहे होंगे, ऐसी मान्यता है। क्या यूज था इस रिजर्वायर का? We can't say, but it is very clear that the uses for the agriculture purpose or the drinking facilities. पानी पीने के लिए इसका यूज करते रहे होंगे या सिंचाई के लिए इसकी व्यवस्था की जाती हुई, दो चीजें हैं जिससे ये पानी को स्टोर करते रहे। डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ यू रीड द एग्रीकल्चर of the Indus Valley civilization, the granaries at some Harappan sites, granaries, अब यहां पे एक पॉइंट और आप जोड़ लीजिए, granaries, ये granaries ये बात प्रूफ करते हैं हड़प्पा से जो मिले। What it proved? It proved that they stored a huge amount of the grains in their granary. They also proved that the surplus production that was available in Indus Valley civilization. So that's why city was merged. It would be merged with the help of surplus production. Granaries given this evidence. The granary is also found in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, it was situated in the citadel, and Harappa, it was situated in the lower town. So granary proved that कि they plowed the huge amount of surplus product. जाते थे ये बड़े पैमाने पे लोग. So that's why I am saying the granaries at some Harappan sites clearly suggested that the cereals were produced in the large quantities that not only were all the immediate needs, My dear, this line is very important. It's not only were all the immediate needs of the people duly met with, but there was also the enough resolve to face any future problems or emergency. कुछ भविष्य के जो इमरजेंसीज थी उनके लिए ये लोग कुछ चीजों को स्टोर करते रहे होंगे. That is what I am saying. It is very important things. The principal cereals seem to have been wheat and barley. Rice, though known was favored grain, 6 varieties of millets, including ragi. आप काउंट करिए, कह रहा है कि how many types? The rice, through known was the favored grain, 6 variety of millets, including ragi. 6 variety of millets. How many varieties? It has 6 variety of including ragi, रागी उसमें छुआ हुआ था. 6 प्रकार के दालों का उल्लेख करता है. कहता है कि रागी में से एक था. कोदो, सावा, ज्वार were cultivated as also peas and beans. Remains of rice have been found mainly from Gujarat and Haryana, Rangpur and Lothal. The 2 places where the evidence of rice was found, 2 places, Rangpur and Lothal, Gujarat and Haryana, where the bran of rice that was found. Rice was the favorite food. I mean to say that कि ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रहा होगा. Even they like very much wheat. गेहूं ज्यादा पसंद करते थे. Mehergarh, that was the place where first time excavated the wheat and dates, cotton, wheat and dates. 3 चीजों के एविडेंस हमें बड़े पैमाने पर मिले. फिर अलग अलग जगहों पे कालीबंगा से हमें मस्टर्ड मिले, ग्राम मिले, क्रिस क्रॉस प्लग में. तो ये तमाम सारी फसलों का उपयोग ये करते थे अपने समय में. That is what, it is the very important thing which you have to understand. The other crops included dates, mustard, fragments of cotton cloths, found at Mohenjo-daro and other sites, so that cotton was also grown. Cotton has been found at Mehergarh at least 2000 years before the mature phases of the civilization. This is the oldest evidence of cotton in the world. My dear, it is the very strange matter. In my previous class, I also discussed with you that cotton was the very, very important things for the Indus Valley civilization and for their trade also. Cotton was famous. Trade in goods, it was like very much for the other civilizations people. On the behalf of cotton, this civilization is called Sindhan and then after Indus. Greek called cotton Sindhan. ग्रीक सिंधन कहते हैं, सिंधन से सिंधु बनी, सिंधु से सिंधु सभ्यता का निर्माण हुआ, सिंधु से नदी का नाम रखा गया. It was found in India before 2000 years ago. The place that was Mehergarh, which I also discussed with you. कॉटन भारत में सबसे पहले उगाए जाने वाली फसलों में से एक थी. पूरी दुनिया में सबसे पहले कॉटन की खोज, कॉटन की खेती भारत में शुरू हुई. हमारे पास इसके आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस है. We have that we are saying that cotton is the oldest crop which was cultivated in India. It was it was related from the mature Harappan phases. मेच्योर पपीज के ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण फसलों में से एक थी. माय डियर, आप कोई चीजें नहीं भूलें. मैंने कई सारे क्रॉप्स के नाम बता दिए आपको. मैंने कॉटन कह दिया, मिलेट्स कह दिया, रागी किया, राइस का, वीट का, डेट का. प्लीज ट्राई टू राइट डाउन दिस नेम्स. इट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू. आपके लिए बड़ा ही यूजफुल होगा. देन आफ्टर, agriculture was generally practiced along their river bank, most of which were flooded during the summer and monsoon. The flood deposit every year the fresh alluvial silt, which is highly productive and for which no major furrowing certainly are. No manures and irrigation are required. Dear, what I told you, different times, different way. I try to teach you that site situated in the river bank or semi-arid zone where the huge amount of fertile land was available. Alluvial soils was deposited by the different rivers and their, Indus River and their the tributaries. And that's result, this area was very productive. It helpful for the Indus Valley civilizations people to grow the huge amount of surplus production. बड़े पैमाने पे ये लोग उनका डिपॉजिट करना, बड़े पैमाने पे उन चीज़ों को एकत्रित करना और फिर उनकी सहायता से ये लोग अपने फसल को एक जगह कलेक्ट करते थे. That's why I am saying the granaries were available in Indus Valley civilization. Granaries, अन्न के गोदाम उपलब्ध थे. अन्न के गोदाम जो उपलब्ध थे वो ये प्रूव करते हैं. I mean to say that granary proved that the surplus production was in huge amount during that time. They also aware of the emergency. It may be कि इन फ्यूचर दे हैव टू फेस. ग्रेनरी बनाने के क्या प्रयोजन रहे होंगे? व्हाट वाज द थॉट्स ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ पीपल्स, आई मीन टू इंडस पीपल. व्हाई दे मेड द ग्रेनरीज? व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट? मे बी सम हिस्टोरियंस बिलीव दैट कि इट वाज यूज्ड फॉर द ट्रेडिंग पर्पज, बट सम अदर हिस्टोरियंस बिलीव दैट नो, इट वाज यूज्ड फॉर देयर द फ्यूचर प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो. They were aware of that, the different type of natural disasters, and they stored the grains, surplus grains. और इन लोगों ने इन चीज़ों को किया, इकट्ठा किया, ग्लेनरी बनाई। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। आप सोचिए, यू कैन एज्यूम, यू कैन थिंक दैट, you can imagine that before 5,000 years ago, the people, they were aware of the natural disaster and their problem, the scarcity, the vulnerability of the crisis of the foods. So that's why they made the green race. उन्होंने इसका प्रयोग किया, उन्होंने इसका इस्तेमाल किया। My dear, this is the what I am saying. For tillage, for tilling fields, wooden plug with copper. Wooden plugs here was used. Terracotta model of the plug have been found Mohenjo-daro, Panavali, Cholistan. Harvesting of crops would have been done with copper sickles as well as stone blades hafted in wood. The range of animals. थर्ड पॉइंट, हमारा सेकंड पॉइंट पास्टोरलिज्म की बात करेंगे हम इसके साथ ही। तो अभी ये तो था एक जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन एग्रीकल्चर की। माय डियर, आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू समराइज द एग्रीकल्चर ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। व्हेन you will start, you will frame this answer that agriculture technologies in Indus Valley civilization are agriculture and agriculture technologies. You have to store some information in your mind. What information? First, the things, the evidence which was excavated from the different sites of the Indus Valley civilization. On the basis of that, you can try to write the answer, the agriculture and agriculture technologies of the Harappan civilizations people. First, you have to explain कि एग्रीकल्चर वहाँ के लोग करते थे, इकोनॉमी में एग्रीकल्चर का महत्वपूर्ण रोल था। आप लिखेंगे होल द साइट्स, it was situated in the same arid zone. Many more sites situated near river bank. Plug field evidence was found from the Kalibanga. Kalibanga, the place where the plug field, crisscross field was found. Banavali, Cholistan and Mohenjo-daro, that was the place where the terracotta plug was also excavated. टेराकोटा बुल अकॉर्डिंग टू सम आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट की वो भी मिले। इवन द डैम, रिजर्वायर, वाटर रिजर्वायर, canals, and then after you have to explain about the different seeds. After all, having mentioned these points, you have to explain that whole land was very fertile. The alluvial soil was deposited by the different river. That area was very vast. There is no need to explain it. I told you that from east to west it was 1600 square kilometer, and from north to south it was 1400 square kilometer. It was a very vast area. 12,99,000 something. Nowadays 15 lakh square kilometer that area was expanded. तो आप ये लिख सकते हैं। माय डियर, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि अब एग्रीकल्चर के बाद अगर हम बात करेंगे तो सेकेंड पॉइंट हमारा होगा पास्टोरलिज्म पे। एग्रीकल्चर एंड पास्टोरलिज्म दे आर पार्ट, दे आर कनेक्टेड ईच अदर, दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। आप जब भी एग्रीकल्चर को एक्सप्लेन करें तो हमेशा इस चीज को याद रखें कि हमें इसके साथ किसको कनेक्ट करना है, पास्टोरलिज्म को कनेक्ट करना है। In the starting phase, Indus Valley civilization people, they were fruit gatherers. The different animals evidences was found there. If you have remembered the seal of Mohenjo-daro, which was recognized as a Protosiva seal by John Marshall. How many animals that was shown on that seal? My dear, एनिमल में अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो राइनो, पैंथर, टाइगर, एलिफेंट, बुफेलो, डियर and some snakes. That was sitting on yogi postures, savans and around these animals mentioned. Except it, the bone of gharials, the various fish, the camel's bone also found in Kalibanga. As गधों के साक्ष्य भी मिले, गधों की हड्डियां भी प्राप्त हुई। इसके अलावा कौवा, फाख्ता, हाजा पक्षियों की बात भी क्लियरली मेंशन है। तो ये चीजें भी वहां से प्राप्त हो रही है। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन। वी विल डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक, दिस पॉइंट इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास, and we will try to again discuss this point in our next class also. The various video that has uploaded by RB Public School, you have to watch that, and we will try to give information regarding. हम इसके बारे में आपको और भी सूचनाएं देंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे। गुड बाय।